Yeah, okay. So put it on a timer.
Put a timer
No,
on.
just kidding. Okay, so
Oh,
9 plus 3,
yeah.
3.
Oh, I thought you wanted me to
Yeah.
get a timer on.
No, I was just kidding.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you just substitute the 3 in for the t. You're done after that.
Yeah, so that's A3.
Okay, which one's equivalent to that? So it'd be 1 over x. I cannot write with this preview.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to write with the preview editing and it's not working at all. I'm gonna have to just use the zoom annotations. Like that's easier. Oh, that much better.
So x plus 3 over x. So we're gonna go with C. So wait, so is there a way we can like track our answers? Can someone like write them down to make sure?
I'll just write them
Like
down.
just
Yeah, how about that?
yeah, like on a notebook, like 1A.
Yeah,
and then
1 we got A,
2C.
2 was C, 3.
Wait, Shiloh, you can also write on this thing. Like you can also write on it.
Yeah.
How do I do that?
I gave editing.
You go on annotate. You go on annotate, and like you can work it out with us. I guess. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Okay.
The faulty register records only $5 for every $8 deposit. If the I'm gonna say.
Hold on 1 second. I'm trying to get my thing to start working. All right. Yeah, $5.
Yeah. So since it's 5 to 8 ratio, you would just do 40 times 5 to 8, basically. You can even do this in your head, pretty easy.
Yeah, it's fairly. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, what is the value of x plus y plus z? I know there's like a faster way.
There's an easy shortcut. I just don't know the shortcut.
Yeah, I know there is an easy shortcut.
I feel like I have to do something with
so
square
what
rooting.
is the value of
I feel like I have to do something with square rooting. I feel like that's the shortcut. Well, I'm not sure how you'd go about it. Because first you have to isolate the variables.
Wait, let's just do. This is what you can do. You can do +4, +9, and we could do +16.
Would it be much. Would it be 1? Because
if you plug in, if you say x plus y plus z equals 1, you have to like somewhat backtrack and prove.
If you plug in like 0 for, 2 for x, that would make that part 0. If you plug in 3 for y, that would make that 0. And if you plug in -4, yeah, you get 0 plus 0 plus 0.
2.
Sorry, not yeah. You kind of get the point.
Equals 5 minus 4 equals 1. Yeah, should be 1.
Wait, how'd you do this?
Yeah, that's a pretty easy way to do it, I guess. That's a good trick.
You have to get it to equal to 0 so that when you add all of those up, you get 0. So whatever number you can plug in to make it 0, those are the numbers that you're looking for. So for the first part, x minus 2 squared, in order to make that 0, I would have to plug in +2 for x. And so on.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. My bad.
Okay, this one is fairly easy. So you could do Okay.
Well, I know that 3 root
Yeah.
3 equals 27, so yeah.
Yeah. So you just do x equals 6, yeah. Right. Okay. B is greater than A, which is true, or which is false, sorry. Okay. AB equals BC. AB equals AC. AC equals BC. A equals C. Okay, so you could see it's an isosceles triangle. So if this is the greatest, then these two equal each other. So AB equals BC. That's fine. Okay. AB equals AC.
So the triangle above isosceles and B is greater than A, so AB equals BC, correct?
Yeah.
AC, so this is false.
It should, that should be correct, right? Yeah, and then.
Yeah, no, C is false.
Yeah, C is false.
Oh,
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Number 7. mx minus 7 is parallel to.
I think for this one, all you have to do is turn the second equation into slope-intercept instead of standard.
Yeah.
And you can see the slope, and then the slope would just be negative reciprocal.
It's parallel, so it's not perpendicular. So it should
oh
be.
No, sorry, not perpendicular. Yeah, parallel. It should be the same. Yeah, my bad.
No, you're fine. For a lemonade stand, the total cost of $C. Okay, what is 100? 100 is the y-intercept, so that's when it's 0. So
what is the best interpretation?
So when there's 0 cups, it's the initial starting cost of the stand.
For a lemonade stand, the total cost fee in dollars of selling n cups of lemonade. Yes, yeah. Okay.
We've had like 5 C's in a row. Okay, this one's pretty easy.
Yeah, which of the following is equal? So you factor this out. It would be, you FOIL it, I mean, and then you get 10. These two cancel out because there's opposite charges. Then so it would just be minus 4i squared. So that would be 29 because minus i squared is minus 1. So yeah.
I noticed that you don't really see complex numbers on the newer SAT test. I don't know.
You do a little bit. You do. I've seen some.
I've seen, yeah. I've seen complex numbers on it.
Yeah. Okay, the graph of a parabola in the xy plane has x-intercepts at 3, 5, and minus. Okay, so this one works.
Yeah, it should.
Yeah, so
that's the right answer because it has to be. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, that's quick. So during a trip, Jonathan has driven for a total of 75 miles by 6:20 p.m. and a total of 85 miles by 40 p.m. 6:40 p.m. At what time? So okay, so then you can see he goes 10 miles.
10
yeah,
miles
so it's a 30 mph. So 140 divided by 30.
Is this calculator or no calculator? Just making sure.
No calc.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
So that's around like 4 2/3. So yeah. So
yeah,
this
4
time
2/3, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 440. So okay. Yeah, and then so 80, 60. My bad. I meant. Okay, so that would just take 2 hours. So 140. Oh, 85. So this time 8:30. Just by guessing, cause yeah.
Okay.
You know that it's 30 miles per hour. So you would guess that so take this to be around 80, and so he needs 60. So this is the best guess, pretty much.
Okay.
Since he needs 55. Wow, he's driving very slow.
Yeah. Okay, x is not equal 2/3. What is k?
Okay, 5x plus 8. So minus, okay. So we can just plug each one in pretty much.
Yeah, because it's gonna, well, no, because you still have to get it towards this side, matches the form of this side, and then you can plug in for k. Because you're not plugging in x.
Well, no, you can just factor.
I mean, you could. You could do if it's like 8x squared plus 14x minus 20.
Just fit the best one that you think, pretty much.
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
Yeah, but those factors are not very easy.
You're right. But I'm gonna go with 15. That's the value of k.
15.
Just yeah, I think that's what it is. Just cause, like, if you look at this, 3.
3 and 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I think what you can do is you can multiply the first part of the other side of the equation where it says 5x plus 8.
I was gonna multiply this by 3x.
Yeah, you can multiply that by 3x minus 2, the top and the bottom. So it'll have a common denominator.
Yeah, like a complex conjugate.
Yeah, and then you can just get rid of the denominator.
No, yeah, these problems are way harder than what you see on an SAT.
Yeah, SAT never requires this kind of thinking.
Yeah. This would probably be like the last question on a calculator section or something.
Yeah, that was a good guess. 15 would be, right? Because 15x squared.
Yeah. Well, yeah, just looking at the 5 and the 3, you can just see 15.
Yeah, instead of...
yeah. College Panda is harder, so yeah.
Yeah. I mean, harder is sometimes better.
Yeah, no, it is.
It depends, because Khan Academy, for the readings, it's much harder than what you're going to see.
Khan Academy SAT math is the simplest thing ever.
Yeah, it's too easy for SAT math. Because that's why I do for PSAT. Okay, which order is the slope? This is
College Panda's hard.
Yeah, K is a negative slope. That's negative. I is positive, but it's not the greatest positive. J has no slope. And H has the greatest positive slope, I think. Yeah. H probably has the greatest positive. This one has the second greatest positive. This has no slope. And then this one. So from least to greatest.
H is positive, K is negative, I is positive but low positive, and then J is just constant.
Exactly.
J is at a constant y equals something.
Yeah, probably like
y equals
4,
5.
Whatever, 5, yeah.
Yeah.
Which indicates it has no slope.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the order from least to greatest? Okay, so greatest we already know is H, so it cannot be this one. second greatest, we've already determined it's I. So it can't be this one. Now, would it go no slope, then negative slope, or would it go negative slope, then no slope?
So which of the following least to greatest? So I would think the slope. So that's a slope of 0. So yeah, I think 0 would be somewhere in the middle. Yeah.
So probably A.
That makes sense.
Yeah, this is something you're probably never going to see on SAT.
Yeah, but it's better because it's harder. So
yeah, I mean, you can always prepare for the worst. Okay.
So
which expression is equivalent to the following?
1 over m squared minus 2. Why do they keep giving us these random?
Why are there so much of these?
Yeah. Okay. Which of the following is equivalent? Okay. So basically,
you're just gonna find the common denominator.
This is what it is. It's a factor. Yeah. Okay. That was easy.
Yeah.
I thought it would be one of those factor problems again. I don't like the factor. Okay, x plus 1.
Oh, 3x long division 1. Perfect.
Okay, another synthetic division.
Okay, 3x squared plus 3x. So this is plus 0x plus 4.
7. So 3x minus 3 plus 7 over x plus 1. See, synthetic division so much faster.
Yeah. I mean, it's faster, but if you're writing on paper, I'm writing with a mouse, so there's also that.
I think another way you can do these types of equations is if you plug in 0 for x and in the equation in the question, and then if you don't know how to
would match an answer.
Synthetic division, if synthetic division or too complicated, or if you're slow at it or something, plug in.
Okay.
So
yeah. Six is a possible. 6 is a possible value.
Yeah, what's a possible value? Yeah.
This question is so bad because it should be in an inequality. I would just say, oh yeah, it is an inequality. So
it is.
Basically, yeah, x has to be greater than 5.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yes, it can be 6.
Yeah.
I think I've seen that question before and what the actual practice says.
Oops.
So the following is the value of x. Okay, so if that's 45.
Okay, no. What is the value of x? So
well, it doesn't say that it's a right angle triangle, so I don't think we're allowed to assume.
Yeah, but this is gonna be. Can we say that?
Well, I mean, you could say that's 45, but it never mentions it's a right angle triangle, so you cannot say that it's 45.
Yeah, so then let's make this line greater, and then this line, and then so basically.
I think it's 35.
Wait, what was that?
I'm thinking it's 35.
35?
Because angles, that angle 80 right there. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, because I'll give you 100 right here.
180.
100.
Yeah, and then
45 minus 180. Yeah.
Yeah, so you get 145 and then subtract it. It's 35.
Oh, wait, those are yours. Okay. if y equals x squared plus, what is the value of k? So, oh, then we can just, yeah, okay. So 4 plus 2 minus 2, 4, and then we got 16 plus 2, so 18 is the value of k. It's really easy. You just plug this into this and plug this into this. Okay, k squared plus 4k equals 45, and k is greater than 0. What is the value of k plus 2? Well, so basically, you just have to, you can either factor this too. So I'm going to minus 45 and then plus 4k minus 45k squared. You factor that and then you can do k plus 9 times k minus 5. And then since it's greater than 0, k equals 5. Because if you take a 0 of k plus 9, that would be k equals negative 9.
Exactly. So 7 should be your answer.
7? What do you mean? Oh, yeah, 7.
Equals 2.
Yeah, my bad. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, cool.
Even the hard SAT questions are pretty easy. So.
Usually the graded ones are easier than the multiple choice.
What
is the real value of x?
So
you can factor by grouping.
X is
okay, so you can go x squared minus parentheses x minus 3 plus
3
x
minus
3. So you got x squared. I don't know what.
So we go x squared plus 3.
Yeah.
And
then you have
x minus 3. So x equals 3 is the real value.
What just happened to my computer?
No, just double click. Yeah, you'll be fine.
Yeah. All right. Whatever.
What did you do?
I have no clue what happened, but yeah. X.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I think that was the last question.
Yeah. Good. No calculator? That's actually a pretty hard no calculator.
Yeah.
You could probably do it in 30 minutes.
Yeah, I think we didn't take too long on that one. Where's the answer key?
You want to do calc too? Or?
Why not? I mean,
I think we got 100 out of 100.
Yeah, I have a calculator, so yeah, we can do calc.
Yeah, I have my TI right here.
Yeah, my TI 84.
Yeah.
James memorized 10% of more words than Zach. Zach memorized 30% more words than Amy. Hey, words, how many? Okay. Wrong.
Okay, so James memorized 10% more words than Zach. Zach memorized 30% more words as Amy memorized A words. Okay.
All right,
how many words did James memorize?
Yeah. I feel like this one's pretty easy. Right?
So it would be D, right?
I was thinking, yeah. Wait.
Yeah. Because wait. No,
I was thinking A.
Yeah, no. It would be A. Yeah, A.
Because D wouldn't yield you the same answer.
Yeah, I know. I just looked at it, so I changed my answer to A. So yeah. The 4-inch. A certain pizza of a restaurant cut slices every 4 inches along the edge of a pizza. So the arc is 4 inches, and we know that the
radius is 10.
Yeah. So, and then what is the maximum number
Okay.
So we can just do 2 pi r, which
Yep.
is so that would be
20
pi.
Yeah,
20 pi.
20 pi.
And then so yeah, 20 pi, and then since you can use your calculator, you just put that in. And then that's around 62 inches.
Yeah.
So 62 divided by that number divided by 4
it's roughly
is around 15. Yeah, so
I think that's right.
Wait, ask more people in the Discord to join, because I don't know if they know it's right now.
Okay.
Well, actually, it's fine. We already did a lot, so.
Yeah, I mean, I can always post it to YouTube or something. Okay. Last Saturday, my drove to her house, where she stayed several hours before driving back home. From her house to the bookstore. Okay, A. Basic graphs. Is that good?
Yeah, so how many hours do you study a day for the SATs?
Hold on one sec.
The table above shows the distribution of age and social media presence for 720 employees at a company. If an employee who uses social media is selected at random, what is the probability that the employee is 30 or older? So
30 or older, so selected at random, so that'd be out of the 7, wait, if an employee who uses social media, so out of that, it's 120 out of 360.
Yeah. 1/3.
Yeah.
All right, nice.
All right. X equals x squared plus bx plus c, where b and c are constants if the graph f has x-intercepts at x. Okay, so which of the following is
Which of the following? So I guess we could just do x plus 5 times
just
x
minus 3, and then just
minus 3.
So it'd be
And
x
then
squared
x
plus 5x plus
squared
3x, so it'd be x squared plus 2x
2x
minus 15.
minus 15. So yeah, and 2 and minus 15. Yeah. All right, nice. I'm gonna start using College Panda. So yeah, but just so I can get a perfect 800 on the math, because that's necessary to get a 1500.
All right. The line y equals mx plus b, where m and b.
Reading's insane.
Line L is a reflection of line L. Which point do they two intersect?
Cross.
So if it's a reflection, yeah. All right.
Yeah, so reflection is like that, right? Off the y-axis. So I think the slope would be negative.
Yeah.
So yeah, they intersect at 0, positive b, I think.
0, positive 3. Well, I mean, but look at the answer choices.
Well, I mean,
it should be. It's not that.
Yeah, I don't know. M, 0.
Okay, m is the slope. B is the y-intercept.
So say Well, yeah. This is where they intersect because they both start here. So 0, it can either. So since the B is positive already here, we're gonna go with
So we're
A.
just saying that they're perpendicular?
They're not perpendicular. It's reflected.
Oh yeah, reflected. My bad. Yeah.
Yeah. So A.
Okay.
Well, that's just my guess. Well, that's my yeah. Okay.
We'll just go with it.
I mean, yeah, sure.
Because it can't be negative.
Yeah, because this B is positive, so just go with this.
Yeah.
Go to 7.
7. Distance is traveled by rocket. Okay. Equation. Based on table, how many rockets traveled more than 20 meters? Okay, so distance equals 2/3 of F. F is fuel and liters. Okay, so 2/3. Okay, so
oh, okay. I haven't been paying attention. Okay. Yeah, you do this one because I didn't pay attention.
yeah.
So do you have school next week?
I do.
Okay.
I mean, my school day is pretty light, so it's, I mean, not that light, but it's not bad.
So, what AP classes are you taking, if you don't mind me asking?
Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah, your video's your mic's a little fuzzy.
Yeah. I mean, I can hear
my
you.
bad. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. You're good.
I was asking which AP classes are you taking, if you don't mind me asking?
Oh yeah. Right now I'm in AP Chemistry. I'm in AP Research, AP Capstone Research. I'm pretty much in AP Physics. Let's see. I'm in AP English 3.
EP English 3 is a thing.
Yeah, it's not fun. I mean, it's okay, but next year is gonna be the hard one.
That's really cool. My school doesn't allow us to take APs until we're seniors, so looking forward to taking some APs next year.
Yeah.
Okay, so a researcher decides to interview a student who either attends either State University or Southwest University. So State or Southwest. And which of the is undergraduate at Southwest University. So we're looking for this number, and then we're looking for this plus this. So since we have our calculators, just add that up. 38,626 plus 2,2,361 divided by 19,443. 19,443 divided by that, and we get around 0.32. So yeah.
Yeah. Wait. Okay. Which is the closest probability? Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Let's do like to 10, and then we can do some other ones tomorrow. Cause yeah.
Yeah.
We already did a lot today, so let's just do until number 10. Cause yeah.
Yeah.
A grocery store has 2 recycling machines outside. The first recycling machine took in 240 plastic bottles and 180 metal cans. The second took in 30% more plastic bottles, but 10% less cans. the second machine recycled what % more items than the first? So took in 30%, so 180 times 1.3, which would be 234.
234.
And then 240 times 0.9 is 216. So you add that up and you would get 450. And then 180 plus 240 is 420. And then the difference would be 30 divided by 420. And that's around, okay, well, I got 7%. So I might have been doing.
No, I don't think you accounted for the fact that okay, second took in. Yeah, the second one took in 30% more plastic bottles.
Yeah, I know. I did. I did 180 times 1.3.
No, it should be 240 times 1.3.
Oh, oops! I did the wrong one.
That should get you 312, and then 0.1. Or 0.9 times 180.
Yeah, which is 160, 170, 62, something like that.
Yeah, the total is 474.
Ashley estimates that there are 3 marbles in a jar. Harry, who knows the actual number of marbles in the jar. B, notes that Ashley's estimate is within 15 marbles inclusive.
I got about 13%. Let me know if that's what you got. Is that what you got?
Yeah, sure. That I think you did it right. So.
Yeah, I think so. All right, last one. There are 8 marbles in the jar. It's within 15, inclusive of the actual.
I think A looks the best, so I think I'll go with A. Because it's looking for the difference, and I guess, yeah, so.
Yeah, I'm pretty
straightforward, yeah.
Yeah.
Because none of these account for like -15 or positive